Hey, how's it going, guys? Jackson here with Toasty DIY, and yeah, today I made a little bit of a friend here. So, really excited about this. So this is an 8-week-old husky mixed with a German Shepherd. So it's like they call him a Shepsky. And I just picked him up today. My girlfriend has absolutely no clue, so that's kind of what this is going to be, is me surprising her. She's wanted a dog like for pretty much since I've known her, and you know how people are when they want something. She's like sent me pictures and like said like, hey, can we get this one, can we get this one? And I kept telling her, hey, just wait, mainly because we don't really have a fence in the backyard yet. Like there's a lot of stuff I'm still gonna need to do, and I really did want to wait, but I saw this little guy pop up, and fresh litter and everything, so I don't know, I couldn't pass it up. So yeah, pretty excited. He's crazy. Just, I mean, it's what to expect from an 8-week puppy. He was just taken from the mom or weaned. Okay, he's going under the bed. He was just weaned about 2 weeks ago. So he's pretty whiny. He's kind of teething right now. He's already chewed on my flip-flop. Okay, I literally just brought him home like 2 hours ago. I had to switch my shoes that had laces to these because he was eating them essentially. So yeah, long story short, she has like absolutely no clue. Like she was just talking to me about dogs again today. She was like, do you think you're ever gonna consider it? And I was like, I'll see what I can do. So yeah, I got this guy. She ended up having to go to work, and I've just been hanging out with him since then. He doesn't even have a name yet, so I'm going to set up the GoPro in some sort of way. She comes in through the back door. I think I'm just gonna like go to the open the door and just have the puppy in my hand and just get a reaction. I could probably do something more extravagant and kind of try to surprise her more with it, but I feel like that's a pretty good surprise if she just opens the door and I'm holding the dog. And also I don't really know how much camera work I can do. I don't want to open the door with a GoPro on my head because that's just as obvious as having the GoPro set up and her coming to the door. So yeah, I guess next scene will be that. All right, so I literally just saw her pull in, so I'm just gonna put the puppy in my hand and open the door. I don't know.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Here's your new puppy.
I was focused on the puppy.
Here's the reaction. She sat on the GoPro.
Here's my ass. Hi, buddy.
So what's your first impressions? What's the review? What do you rate it? 10 out of 10?
I'm crying.
Did you see his eyes?
Do I taste like mocha?
Baby's first steps.
You
No.
said I'm gonna eat it.
Don't attack the camera. He wants your hat.
We need to get you some toys.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. He's actually helping me edit right now. He's kind of sleepy. But yeah, I think he's like 9.5 weeks now. I'm editing this a little bit late, but yeah, he's still very crazy. He's getting better at sleeping at night. The first couple of nights he would stay awake all night and just whine the whole time. But now he's getting better in the crate and everything. So yeah, exciting adventures. He should be about anywhere from 50 to 90 pounds once he's old. He weighs about 5 pounds right now, so still has a lot of ways to grow. So maybe I'll do some update videos if you guys want to see him, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.